After second moto crash at Southwick, Julien Beaumer has come out and said he is fine, saying, quote, "It was a tough first moto. I crashed in the first turn and then made a good comeback, but crashed late in the moto again and lost my goggles. I made a bad start in Moto 2, then unfortunately got tagged by another rider as I went down and was run over. I spent some time in the medical unit, but am happy to be healthy, so we will see the neurologist this week and see we're able to race next weekend." Now, apparently, whether he says he's fine, whatever. This is from Vital MX saying the bottom of this says a head issue must be monitored in the coming days before a decision is made about his status for Redbud coming this weekend. No matter, it doesn't matter if he races or not. Apparently, he is ninth, where he's 114 points from the cutoff for the SMX playoff, which is good for him. You know, rookie year coming out looking fast, and then if you're set. Like obviously, you want to see him race every weekend. You want to see continue to grow and get more points and just be there. But you got to say this is good for him. You don't have to worry about missing. You don't have to rush an injury to get back and maybe get those 2, 3, 4 points you need to make it. He can take the time he needs if it is worse than it sounds, or in the coming days it actually becomes a problem. But it's good to see. I mean, obviously Southwick is a pretty hard track with all the sand, and it's its own kind of beast. But it's good to see that he's not super injured. It sucks that this weekend didn't go well, but I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you think happened? Did you like Southwick? Do you like the sand races? Who do you think wins the 250s and the 450s overall? And while you're down there, comment, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.